Welcome back. All right, Mike Epple, smart cookie, took some time off, but he timed it around some holidays, so he's off forever. No, he's coming back in a little bit. But Kris McCusker joins us now. Always nice to see you, Kris. How are you?
Nice to see you, too. And, yeah, it's so awkward with the holiday in the middle of the week next week, right? So
it is, but for some people, the days blur anyway. So
that's true.
Even though it's a holiday, who knows?
Yeah,
who knows?
that's true. That's true.
So let's begin with the markets here. What are we looking at?
Okay, well, we've seen some fluctuation on futures markets in the U.S. so far this morning, and we did see a bumpy start to the session yesterday, so this is certainly not unprecedented. Now, coronavirus cases in the U.S. continue to hit record highs, and that's got investors a little concerned, let's say. More than 37,000 new cases in the U.S. just yesterday, led by Florida, Texas, California, and Arizona. Now, the coronavirus task force will meet with reporters today. That task force has not held a briefing now since April the 27th. As far as Bay Street goes, it is trying for a second winning session. Okay, it's not much to write home about, but you got to take the wins where you can. Bay Street pretty close to eking out a gain this week. We'll see how today plays out. And in the month of June, up by 1.6%, but still down by 9.5% so far this year, if you're keeping track at home.
I know you are. Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of people are, actually. Let's talk about gas prices. Seeing a major swing here.
Yes, we did see a drop in gas prices overnight of 4 cents. That's always nice to see, although, you know, well, I guess we're driving a little more nowadays. The price for oil, though, has come off a little bit, and it is likely looking at a losing week for only the second time since April. The thinking here is, again, back to those record number of coronaviruses in the U.S., clouding the demand outlook. So, yeah, obviously if people are sick, they're not going to be driving. So oil this week looking at a drop of 1.6%. It's just shy of $40 a barrel this morning. I'll take you back to April when the price for oil went negative for the first time ever. And this kind of resurgence, let's say, in oil has prompted some Canadian oil producers to sort of slowly start to get back to business. Baytex Energy is bringing back online some of the wells that shut down in April and May. This is the Calgary-based producer. It is restored about 20,000 barrels a day of the 25,000 it had previously curtailed. So maybe a degree of normalization out there for our oil industry, and this, of course, very important to the TSX and very important to the Canadian economy overall.
Absolutely. Finally, here we are looking at a number of organizations, companies reporting earnings, the latest being Nike, and they are down.
Yeah, not good. Not good for Nike. The stock is under pressure in pre-market trade after the company reported earnings, and sales got hit harder than expected, of course, because of the pandemic. The world's biggest athletic brand posted a surprise loss, a sign that the forced store closures took a bigger toll than expected. So revenue down 38%. Digital revenue did jump by 75%, but believe it or not, that was not enough to offset the losses in the brick and mortar stores. So we hear a lot about online sales and the popularity of that. Seems people still like the in-store shopping experience as well.
For sure, a lot of their gear you want to try on too, their shoes and some of their workout stuff. But no doubt, everyone was online. Everyone was looking for cozy stuff.
Yeah, cozy, comfortable. Yeah.
All right, Kris, have yourself a great weekend. Nice to see you.
Yes, you too. We'll see you Monday.
You got it.
Okay.
All right.